Yes, today is first Wednesday of this month. So, as you all know, we are celebrating this Cyber JAGRUKTA DIWAS on first of Wednesday of every month. So, the topic is preventive measures to be taken in cyberspace, reporting of cybercrime. And for senior secondary, topic is safety in online financial transactions. So, what all preventive measures we have to take while using the cyberspace? Cyberspace refers to the virtual computer world and, more specifically, is an electronic medium used to form a global computer network to facilitate online communication. It is a large computer network made up of many worldwide computer networks that employ TCP/IP protocol to aid in communication and data exchange activities. Cyberspace's core feature is an interactive and virtual environment for a broad range of participants. Preventive measures to be taken in cyberspace: do not give your personal details of whereabouts. Don't post specific personal information online, such as travel dates, location, and time of the movie you plan to watch, evening classes that you take, etc. Keep contact information private. Beware of strangers. Friends, better avoid strangers as friends when requests are received. Do not share your personal information irrespective of genders, as they may post abusive, indecent messages when the relations are strained with them. Beware of following risks. Spam. As we all know that spam is usually unwanted email advertisements about a product sent to list of emails or group of email addresses. Similarly, spammers are sending the unwanted mails or messages to the billions of users of social networking sites, which are free and is easily accessible by spammers to gather the personal information of the unsuspecting users. Always use updated spam blocking software. Next is spams. Now, scams. Online scammers generally send an email or message with a link to the user which asks for the profile information and tells the user that it would add new followers. These links sent to the user should be similar to application, games, etc. So, whenever the user posts his details in the link, then the details will be received by scammers and information could be misused. Malicious application might come through different application while using or installing software. Similarly, if we click on links in the social networking, any application starts the installation process or link to view the video, etc. In order to fulfill its intended operation, the application requests for some elevated privileges from the user, like access to my basic information, update on my wall, post on my wall, etc. ठीक है, ये कुछ कुछ चीज़ें इसमें ध्यान में रखना है. कभी कभी जैसे उसमें लिख के आता है कि अगर ये बुक फ्री में चाहिए तो इस मैसेज को अगर 20 स्टूडेंट्स को फॉरवर्ड करोगे तो ये बुक तुमको फ्री में मिलेगा. तो झूठ बोल के जस्ट उन लोग अपना एडवर्टाइजमेंट करते हैं. सेकेंडली क्या करते हैं कि वो जो लिंक शेयर हो रहा है, हो सकता है उससे कुछ लोग पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर कर रहे हो, मेल आईडी ऑफ ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ योर क्लास, एक्सेट्रा. क्लिक जैकिंग. Generally, click jacking is a malicious technique of tricking web users into revealing confidential information or taking control of their computer while clicking on seemingly innocuous web pages. Vulnerability across a variety of browsers and platforms. A clickjacking takes the form of embedded code or script that can run without the user's knowledge. The same is followed in the social networking domain. The objective behind such an attack is that users can be tricked into clicking in the links, icons, buttons, etc., which could trigger running of processes at the background without the knowledge of the user. Yeah, you are clicking it and then you don't know, and many informations they are collecting or whatever they are doing. Next is phishing. As we all know, the phishing attack is creation of fake site just similar to original one. Similarly, these days even social networking phishing has come in different flavors, just like phishing attacks on banks and popular trading websites. Social networking phishing has come up with fake mails and messages like offering some specialized themes, updating the profile, updating the security application features, etc. In order to see the updates, the user needs to follow a link and login through which the credentials are taken by the attackers. The linked page is a fake copy of the original login page focused on stealing user account credentials. Beware of phishing email scams. Now, guidelines: do not give or post any personal information like the name, address of school, home, phone number, age, sex, credit card details. The information which was posted by you in online can be seen by everyone who is online, because internet is the world's biggest information exchange tool. Many people who are having access to the site which you are using can access your profile and get all the information what you have posted. The persons who is having access to your profile may include good persons like your friends, parents, teachers, and bad person like strangers. Beware that the information you give in the sites could also put you at risk of victimization. Never give out your password to anyone other than your parent or guardian. Change your password frequently and avoid clicking links that purports to send you back to the social network site. Instead, type the site's address directly into your browser or follow a bookmark you have previously saved to get back to your account. When you are choosing a social networking site, privacy issues should be considered. While accepting the friends on social networking sites, be selective. Only add people as friends to your site if you know them in real life. Never meet in person with anyone whom you met on social networking site, because some of the people may not be who they say they are. Take your parents' permission if you want to meet the person whom you met in the networking site. Most of the social networking websites enabling users to set privacy controls for who has the ability to view the information. So try to use such facilities. Do not post anything which harm to your family credibility. Never post photographs, videos, and any other sensitive information to unknown persons in social network sites. If you think that your social networking account details have been compromised or stolen, report your suspicions to the networking site support team immediately. Never respond to harassing or rude comments which are posted on your profile. Delete any unwanted messages or friends who continuously leave inappropriate comments and immediately report those comments to the networking site. Do not post your friends' information in networking sites which may possibly put them at risk. Protect your friends by not posting the group photos, school names, locations, ages, sex, etc. Avoid posting the plans and activities which you are going to do in networking sites. Check the privacy settings of the social networking sites and set the settings in such a way that the people can only be added as your friend if you approve them. Also set the settings in such a way that the people can only view your profile if you have approved them as a friend. So this I will share. This already you know, cybercrime.gov.in. Suppose you want to report any type of crime, you can report it here. Video I will share with you link so that you can see how to report for any cybercrime. Tips for safe and secure internet banking. This you try to share with your friends, parents, etc. Because how to access the bank account. So this I will request you all to share with your seniors also, your relatives, your parents. Now, safety in online financial transactions. Online banking and shopping are some of the perks of our tech-savvy culture, but providing financial information for online activities can put your money and your identity at risk. The key to safe online financial transactions is to be informed and cautious. Here are a few tips to help you stay safe while shopping and banking online. How to make your online financial transactions secure? Do not use the same username and passwords for all of your accounts. Choose a strong password filled with numbers, symbols, lowercase, uppercase letters. Keep track of your account info in a non-digital place, such as a notebook in your fire safe. This prevents hackers from seeing a list of all your passwords if they gain access to your computer, phone, or tablet. Change your passwords every 1 to 3 months. The more often, the better. Always keep up to date antivirus and firewall security programs. Scan your computer frequently and check to make sure your firewall is turned on before shopping online, paying bills, or accessing your bank accounts. If you get a request from your financial institution to provide account details, don't click any links in the contact email. Call your institution directly, not by using the contact information in the suspicious email, and verify the validity of the request. Do not give out your social security number. If a medical provider or other institution requests it, ask why they need it first. Some institutions just use this as an easy identifier and another number can be substituted instead. If the institution's records are hacked, the hacker can gain access to your financial information through your social security number. They can even take out a line of credit in your name without you knowing. Use a trusted third party service such as PayPal to help protect your private information during online transactions. These sites provide dispute services and secure financial transactions for a small fee. All the online transactions should take place on a website whose address begins with HTTPS. The S means the site is secure. If you do not see the S, don't trust the vendor. Always log out after accessing your shopping or banking accounts, then close your browser. Do not allow your computer to store your username and passwords for shopping and banking sites. Check your password recovery options often and keep the information up to date. If the website offers additional security such as two-step verification, take them up on the added services. Any layers of protection you can add to your financial accounts can slow down or deter hackers. Consider using prepaid debit cards for your online shopping transactions. If something looks suspicious, get offline and shut down your computer immediately. Trust your instincts. Do not use one click or easy payment options. Make sure every transaction requires your password. Do not use public Wi-Fi when performing online transactions. Do your shopping at home from your own computer. So this was all the financial security measures while doing any financial transactions. So this you just share with your parents and your relatives. Yes, anything